Welcome to ASP NET SQL Academy. In this session, we will compare traditional postbacks with AJAX in ASP.NET Web Forms with code, performance tips, and a live demo. In ASP.NET Web Forms, a postback means submitting the whole page to the server and re-rendering everything again, even if only one value changed. AJAX stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. In ASP.NET, it means only the necessary part of the page is refreshed, reducing bandwidth and improving UX. Let us see a side-by-side comparison. AJAX eliminates full page refreshes, resulting in faster response and better usability. Here is a basic example using traditional postback. When you click the button, the whole page is posted to the server and then reloaded with the new message. In the code behind, we simply set a label message based on text box input. But remember, this reloads the entire page unnecessarily. Now, let us use an update panel. This wraps the controls and only updates that part when the button is clicked. No full page refresh. AJAX dramatically reduces network usage and boosts performance, especially on slower internet connections. Postbacks send everything, AJAX sends only what's changed. Both techniques have pros and cons. AJAX offers smoother UI but requires more care with the JavaScript and debugging. Traditional postbacks are more predictable but feel outdated. Use AJAX when you want quick responsive apps. Use postbacks for simple pages or when full state management is critical. Let us see both versions in action. First, the traditional postback with a noticeable reload. Now, the AJAX version fast and smooth without leaving the page. To wrap up, traditional postback is simple but old-fashioned. AJAX brings modern user experience. Choose wisely based on your page's goal. Coming up next, how to use update panel triggers, modal pop-ups, and real AJAX with jQuery and web methods. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs and subscribe to ASP NET and Academy. Explore our full AJAX playlist for more tutorials like this.